Three things you need. 1. Rufus. 2. The operating system that you want to have on the flash as a bootable flash drive, that is bootable USB. 3. A flash drive. So the step to do that is to launch Rufus, just as I have done here. The flash drive that you want to use will appear here. If it is not, maybe you have multiple flash blocks, you can select the one you want to use. Boot selection has to do with the ISO file of the operating system or the disk image file for the operating system. So you go there and select, I want to do that of Ubuntu. Now is there. Partition scheme. We have MBR and we have GPT. MBR, master boot record, is for older systems that are very old, and this does not support more than 4 partitions. So if you have a newer system, then that means it will be using GPT, which is a guard partition table. It can take up to 128 partitions. So if the destination, the hard drive or the SSD that you want to install the operating system on is GPT enabled, then you can actually go ahead. But if it is MBR, you have to select, and then the target system is UEFI, while that of the MBR is always in BIOS or UEFI. So I have a newer system that I want to run the Ubuntu OS on, so I'm going to choose GPT. Then also FAT32 and NTF is the file system you have. This is an older version, which is FAT32. Right, it's an older version, and of course it doesn't have much security, encryption, and what have you. So, but NTFS, the new technology file system, is actually with a lot of encryption. It's versatile. Think of it, it has a lot of security on it. So you want to choose this for your file system. Then leave every other thing as it is. Then you can click start. Now with this, because you are working with Ubuntu, you are creating Ubuntu bootable USB, whether it is Linux or Ubuntu. Don't write in ISO file. Don't. Even though it's recommended here, don't write in ISO file. You want to write in DD image mode. That's when you can use it. If it is Windows that you are working on, then you can write in ISO file. Alright, so I'm just going to click OK. I will select DD image. Then when it comes up, this prompt, you just want to say yes, you delete everything, and then say OK. So it will start writing, and this will take a couple of minutes. Just exercise patience. It will take a couple of minutes, and once it's ready, right here it will turn green and it will show ready. Then the USB is ready to be run on any system that you want to use it on. I'll pause the video and then come back when it's done. So my USB bootable Ubuntu is ready. So this is what it will be like when it's ready, and then you can just close this and then you are done.